If I'm on a call and need to mute it so the caller cannot hear me, there is a fixed mute button on the phone. Press it, it will turn red. Also gives you an indicator in the screen that your phone is muted so you can still hear the caller, but they cannot hear you. To release the mute, just press the mute button again. I'm going to hang this call up. A couple other features. Do not disturb. It's a soft key on the phone. If I press it, puts my phone into do not disturb, and there is an indicator up at the top of the screen, a little red circle with a slash through it. Anybody that dials my extension when I'm in do not disturb will go immediately to voicemail. To turn do not disturb off, just simply press do not disturb a second time. All of your volume adjustments are done with the volume bar at the bottom of the phone. If my phone is idle and I start turning it up or down, that's going to adjust my ringer volume. So you can turn that up or down. Your volume setting bar will also adjust your handset volume. So if you pick up the handset, it's going to give you an indicator there. And it will also adjust the speakerphone volume. You can turn that up or down. And then turn speaker back off.